Hi, and welcome back to the Trucking Scribe. It's Esther. Today is January 5th, 2024, and it's the day of the drawing for this journal that I'm going to give away. Just a quick little flip through, and we will get started. So, we didn't have a lot of people that commented, but we had a few. That's all that matters, so that just gives them quite an opportunity to win this, and I'm excited to send it out. It's just so pretty. Oh, I hope you had a good New Year and a good week. So that is the quick little flip through of this journal. So since I didn't have a lot, I just decided to stick them in the box and mix them all up and just pick one out. I'm going to get this one. Carolyn, 1973. So I will put your name in the description below, and you can get in touch with me. I'll leave my email address. You have until Sunday, January 7th at noon Eastern time to get in contact with me, or I will be drawing from one of these others. But Carolyn, I definitely hope to hear from you soon. Thank you guys, and have a great day.